For more information related to gold and silver, visit www.goldsilverreview.blogspot.com.
Hey guys, this is my first EDC video, and it's for GoldSilverReview.blogspot.com, and I blog about precious metals investing and various mining stocks, bullion, ETFs, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in that, come by my site, take a look. I just blog probably about four or five blogs per week, not every single day. But anyway, if you're not invested in precious metals, you might want to take a look at the precious metals, the whole industry in general. And you got to know the reason why it's been on a bullish trend over the past 10 years. There's still more to come, so you're not late. But anyway, if you look at the monetary systems from every country around the world, they're all pretty much debasing their currency. They're basically printing up more of the paper, and it's actually not paper. It's all digital now. You know, when you look at your bank account online, it's all a bunch of, you know, zeros, ones, twos, three, all the way to 9, right? It's a bunch of digits. But anyway, the Federal Reserve and central banks are basically increasing their money supply. They're putting more zeros at the end of the entire money supply, and that's basically called debasing the currency. And you can't do that with a hard asset. You know, hard assets like all commodities are hard assets: corn, wheat, flour, sugar, oil, gold, silver, even homes. It's a hard asset. You know, real estate, commercial, residential, what have you. But anyway, how does that relate to EDC? Well, my theory is the higher the gold price gets, the worse things are going to get throughout the whole worldwide economy. Now, when you debase the dollar and you got high unemployment, you know, when you debase the dollar, inflation is going up. You see that in oil prices, which reflect the gas price. Okay, gas prices have been going up. Also, it affects, you know, it's inflation. Basically, you debase the currency, you make more of the currency, things will go up in the grocery store, to clothing, anything that you buy on a weekly basis to sustain your life. It's all going to go up. I mean, even insurance. So when the unemployment level is like 9.1, 9.2%, and you got high inflation, you got people that, you know, maybe lost their home, they don't have a job, and they're struggling. And when you get enough of this, I mean, look at the other side of the world. You start seeing all these riots going on, right? And eventually that might come to the US. And when that comes to the US, well, that's where the EDC comes in. So here's real quickly just this pepper spray. And then you see, not too sure exactly which brand this is, but you just click this out, open, hit right there. You got pepper spray coming out the end. And I have a cheapo Nebo flashlight. And I got this, it's a CRKT, it's a cruiser knife. It has a nice feel to it. And then you could adjust this where it clips onto your pocket. And it's got a nice little, almost like a golf ball texture here. And it's a nice sized one. And then one good thing about carrying a knife is once in a while you hear these wild pit bull attacks, right? And it's like, well, if you're not carrying, this is a very good tool to have. I mean, one slice across the throat and bye-bye, dog. And this is actually just an iPod Touch. It's only good if you have a Wi-Fi connection. And I've had this for a long time. It's just a SIG multi-tool. It's really useful. And then when the crap really hits the fan, I mean, these two are pretty much going to be home defense guns, really. And I recently got this for concealed carry. But you can see this. It's an old gold cup, a Series 80 Mark IV gold cup national match. And I've kept it in really good condition. Don't have that many rounds through it, but just safety check. clear. And 226. You've seen many videos on this. I mean, there's a ton of them. And this is old. I just have a Hogue grips on this. This is the only modification. Safety check. Clear. And M&P 40C Smith & Wesson. So this will be my everyday carry conceal weapon when the crap hits the fan. I'd probably say between 2013 and 2015. Keep your eye on those years. If things are going to happen, I think during the next presidency, after the 2012 election, between 2013 and 2015, I think you'll see some fireworks. But clear. This is a nice piece. When shooting at the range the other day, 200 rounds, no failure to feeds. A lot of videos on YouTube about this guy too. So again, come by my blog. Just stop by if you have a chance. It's www.goldsilverreview.blogspot.com. As I mentioned before, I just blog a few times a week about the precious metals market, about coins, bars, silver coins, silver bars. I don't get into platinum or palladium or copper, that kind of stuff too much. I'm pretty much focused more so on silver, because I think year over year going forward it's going to have higher returns than gold. But basically those, and then also mining stocks. I tend to focus on the junior and mid-tier mining stocks, and then ETFs as well. I usually do the trading with the ETFs, buy it for a swing trade, hold on to it for between a week and several months. But anyway, hope you enjoy. Talk to you guys later.